Assalamu alaikum students of red class. Today I will give you the concept of vowel letters as we had given to you. So let's revise. This is letter A. Okay, first of all revise vowels. A, E, O, Y. Okay, this all are vowels. 5 vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's make 3-letter words from the vowels. Okay, first of all, kh, p. If I put a, so this is k, app, cap, k, app, cap. Okay, after that l, g. What is? If I put a here, l, a, g, leg, l, a, g, leg. Okay, this is again vowel. Okay, what is this? This is letter p and n. Okay, p and n. Okay, I will pick one vowel from here and write here. Okay, so this is pin. But if I will see what is this thing, okay, what is this thing, so I will take another vowel and write here a, p, a, n, pen. Okay, k, apple, cap, l, a, g, leg, p, a, n, pen, and all the center words are vowel, and we made words using vowels. Okay, now let's next words.